Hey everybody, this is Nick from Cameta Camera with a quick tip for you. Now, us photographers need to keep our gear clean because even a tiny smudge, a fingerprint, something like that on the front of our lens can result in big blurry blobs in our pictures that no amount of editing can get rid of. Now, you might want to clean it with a shirt in an emergency, but that can leave dust and other kinds of contaminants on your lens, and it can get into all the little cracks and crevices if you don't have a weather-sealed lens. So that's no good. You might bring along a microfiber cloth. That's much better, but again, those can get dirty because you really have no place to put them after you're done. Put it in your pocket, it gets dusty, kind of defeats the purpose. So one of the things that photographers love to bring along, it's one of our favorite accessories, is a lens pen. Now these are made in Canada, and these are the original version. There are knockoff versions of lens pens, and from personal experience, those are no good. You always want to go for the original lens pen. Now they do license the Lenspen brand out to other companies. For example, we sell a kit of lens pens that's distributed by Sunpack, and as long as it has the Lenspen holographic sticker on it and uses the actual registered trademark name Lenspen, then you're in good shape. Now, lens pens are really handy because, number one, they have a retractable brush that is good for sweeping away any loose dust or dirt that's on your lens or camera body, and that's just nice for general cleaning. When you have fingerprints and other contaminants on your lens, you use this little carbon pad. Now, this being infused with carbon is really nice because the carbon actually soaks up the oil and does a really good job cleaning. It's the same concept behind washing your windshield on your car with newspaper. It actually, the carbon that's in the ink picks up all those contaminants, does a really nice job cleaning. And the really good thing about lens pens is that every time you screw on the cap, it recharges the lens pen. You get a new, sort of layer of cleaning solution on there. And it's not wet, it's dry, it's 100% safe for all optics. So this can be used on lenses, it can be used on scopes, it can be used on your LCD screen, pretty much any glass this is safe for. So let's put it to the test right now. I've got a Canon T6i that has a nice fingerprint smack dab in the middle of the screen. So hopefully you can see that on camera. And I will use my lens pen to just wipe that off. And it's a pretty simple process. You just go in circles until it disappears. And then if you don't get it all in one pass, you just recharge it, put the cap back on, get a little bit more cleaning solution on there, and give it another quick pass. And the good thing about this is, even though it might not be as fast as breathing on it and wiping it with your shirt, this will ensure that you don't get any dust or fibers inside the crevices of your lens. You won't scratch it, and you can be sure that your lens is going to be safe for the rest of your photography event and as long as you own it, because these things can be used up to 500 times. So you get a lot of use out of one pen that just costs a few bucks. And just for the heck of it, I'll sweep away some of the dust there. There we go, good as new. So you've got the original lens pen, and you've also got a couple other varieties. This one over here is called the DigiClear. It's basically the same as the original lens pen, except it has a tri-corner tip, and that's used for getting in the little crevices of LCD screens, so you can actually clean out the corners rather than using the rounded tip. So that's very helpful. And one more version, we have the Lenspen Micro Pro. And this is basically the same as a regular lens pen, except the tip is much smaller. So this can be used for cleaning out viewfinders, which remarkably do get dirty and oily when you've got your eye up to it. And it can also be used for cleaning other small optics like the lens on your cell phone camera. And that's about it. I mean, these things only cost a few dollars. They are really helpful. And again, they have the brush that helps clean away loose dust, plus the carbon tip, and they come in handy all the time. And the best thing about them is you can just put them in your pocket. They don't get dirty, and you can use them over and over and over again. And it's just one of the most convenient tools to have. And of course, we have plenty of them available at Cameta.com, so get your lens pens today.